Stop. Before you buy Crossword AI, you need to see this. Because this new AI tool claims it can automatically create engaging crossword puzzles using AI, puzzles that you can use for content, lead generation, engagement or even monetization. Sounds interesting, but the real question is CrosswordAI actually useful or is it just another AI gimmick? In this honest CrosswordAI review, I'll break down exactly how it works, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and I'll also give you my $497 bonus bundle free if you decide to pick it up. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're someone who creates content, runs websites, blogs, email newsletters, social media pages or online communities, this video can save you a lot of time. This is not hype, just a clear, honest breakdown of CrosswordAI so you can decide if it's right for you. What is CrosswordAI? CrosswordAI is a cloud-based AI software that lets you instantly generate crossword puzzles on virtually any topic, without writing clues or designing puzzles manually. Instead of spending hours brainstorming words, writing clues, designing layouts, CrosswordAI uses AI to automatically create ready-to-use crossword puzzles in just a few clicks. You can use these puzzles for website engagement, blogs, email marketing, lead magnets, educational content, social media, client projects, and the best part, no technical or design skills are required. Key features and benefits here are the most important features, and why they matter. AI-powered crossword generator. Just enter a topic or keyword, and CrosswordAI automatically generates a complete crossword puzzle with clues. Perfect for bloggers, educators, marketers, coaches and website owners. Unlimited topics and niches. You can create puzzles for education, health, finance, business, fitness, kids learning and trivia and entertainment. This makes it extremely flexible. Engagement booster. Crossword puzzles keep visitors on your page longer, increase interaction and improve user experience, which is gold for websites and email lists. Beginner-friendly dashboard. No complicated setup. Everything is point and click. If you can type, you can use CrosswordAI. Multiple monetization opportunities. You can use puzzles as lead magnets, sell them to clients, add them to websites with ads, use them in paid memberships and bundle them with courses or ebooks. Honest pros and cons. Let's be honest, here's the real picture. Pros: extremely fast puzzle creation, no design or writing skills needed, great for engagement and retention, works for many niches and cloud-based, no downloads. Cons: best results come with clear topic input, not designed for advanced game developers, focused on crossword-style puzzles only if your goal is simple, effective engagement content. These cons are very minor. Who should use CrosswordAI? CrosswordAI is ideal if you are a content creator or blogger, a marketer building lead magnets, a teacher or educator, a website owner and a freelancer offering content services. If engagement matters to you, this tool makes sense. If you grab CrosswordAI through my link below, you'll unlock my exclusive $497 bonus bundle, absolutely free. Here's what you'll get. Bonus 1 to 100 ready-to-use crossword topics pack, value $97. Pre-researched topics for education, marketing, health and business niches. Bonus 2. Lead magnet puzzle blueprint, value $97. Step-by-step guide to using crossword puzzles to collect emails and leads. Bonus 3. Client monetization guide, value $97. How to sell crossword puzzles as a service to bloggers, schools and businesses. Bonus 4. DFY puzzle promotion templates, value $97. Copy-paste landing page and email templates to promote your puzzles. Bonus 5. Engagement growth playbook, value $109. How to increase website time on page, clicks and retention using interactive content. Total bonus value $497. free with your purchase. So, is Crossword AI worth it? If you want an easy, AI-powered way to boost engagement, create interactive content and unlock new monetization options, then yes, Crossword AI is worth checking out. Especially when you factor in my $497 bonus bundle, this becomes a very smart decision. Click the link in the description now. Grab Crossword AI, unlock my bonuses instantly and start creating AI-powered puzzles today. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next review.